In this video, we are gonna see how to make a crispy McD style French fries. Take few larger size potatoes and flush it in the water very well. Peel off the skin of the potatoes using a peeler. Please be careful while peeling off the skin of the potatoes as you may hurt yourself. And the next step is making the slices for French fries. First, slice into a rectangular shape as you see in this video. And then make those rectangular shapes into several pieces. The final results will be like this. Again, flush those pieces in water to remove the starch content on the surface of the potatoes. And then take some warm water, which should not be so hot. After adding those potato pieces into the warm water, add some salt. After that, keep the content still for about 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, filter the warm water from the potato pieces. Then dry those potato pieces using a towel as you see in this video. And then dry those potato pieces in the room temperature as its moisture get lost 100%. After it's completely dried, add some corn flour and mix it well. After this, you can freeze this content and can fry at any time you want. Make sure that your stove is in low flame for your first stage of frying. Please be sure that you should not deep fry your potatoes in this first step of frying your French fries. After completing your first step of frying, please be sure that your stove is on high flame and your oil is on. Now it's the exact time to deep fry your potatoes to make your crispy French fries. After the deep fry, add some salt and pepper to the French fries and mix it well together. Now wow, your crispy McD style french fries is ready on your plate. You can serve this french fries with tomato sauce or your favorite mayonnaise. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.